Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the PRUVEEO D90 360 degrees 4-channel dashcam. I've looked through the internet, compared its features with similar multi-channel dashcams, and by the end of this video, I'll let you know whether it's worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight of the PRUVEEO D90 is its complete 360-degree coverage. Instead of only recording the front and rear like most dash cams, this system uses 4 full HD 1080p cameras to simultaneously capture the front, rear, left, and right sides of your vehicle. That extra coverage can be extremely valuable during accidents, parking incidents, or hit-and-run situations where a standard dual-camera system might miss important evidence. Another feature that makes this dash cam stand out is its adjustable camera design. The front 3 cameras can be repositioned to focus on different areas depending on your needs. Whether you want better side coverage, more of the vehicle's interior, or a wider front view, the flexible lenses make it easy to customize the recording angles. Video quality is solid for everyday driving. All 4 cameras record in full HD, delivering clear footage during daytime driving while maintaining useful detail at night. The interior camera features a bright f1.8 lens along with 4 infrared LEDs, helping it capture passengers and cabin activity even in complete darkness. This makes it especially useful for rideshare drivers, taxi operators, and anyone who wants interior security. The built-in GPS is another major advantage. Every recording includes your vehicle's speed, route, and location data, which can become valuable evidence if you're involved in an accident or insurance claim. Being able to verify exactly where and when an incident occurred adds another layer of protection. Convenience is also a strong point. Built-in Wi-Fi allows you to connect the camera directly to your smartphone, making it easy to review, download, and share footage without removing the memory card. Since a 128 GB memory card is already included, you can start recording immediately without purchasing additional storage. For parked vehicles, the D90 offers useful protection through its parking mode and time-lapse recording. When paired with an optional hardwire kit, the camera can continue monitoring your vehicle even after the engine is turned off. Time-lapse recording also helps save storage space by compressing long periods of footage while still documenting any activity around your car. Daily operation is simple thanks to loop recording. Once the storage fills up, the oldest unlocked recordings are automatically overwritten so the camera never stops recording. If the built-in G sensor detects an impact, it immediately locks the current video to prevent it from being overwritten, preserving critical evidence when you need it most. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. Since all 4 cameras record in 1080p, it doesn't offer the sharper 4K front recording found on some premium dash cams. Also, continuous parking surveillance requires purchasing the optional hardwire kit separately. So, should you buy the PRUVEEO D90? Based on everything I've researched across the internet, I'd say yes. If your priority is maximum vehicle coverage instead of ultra-high resolution, this is an excellent choice. The 4-camera setup, adjustable viewing angles, GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, infrared night vision, included 128 GB memory card, and reliable parking features make it a great value for commuters, families, rideshare drivers, and anyone who wants complete protection on the road. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you decide whether the PRUVEEO D90 is the right dash cam for your vehicle. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. And remember, click the link below for the best price before making your purchase.